Hello, Connie. So let's take a look at the Sapphire ring from earlier this morning in high depth. Okay. So the Sapphire is clean, but not very clean in clarity, at least on the outside. The inner is very clean, and I'll show you that right now first. So, as you can see, it has no inclusions on the inner. And there's one right there, actually. If you zoom in there, you'll see it. Can you see that right there in that triangle? It has a little inclusion there. And some surface reaching inclusions, which I'll get to in a second. Alright, so we'll start with that one right there. I think you see it. Let me just see if I can go. There you go. That's one. And there's another one here I saw. That's two. Alright, so that's like a cavity. And that could be a concern for you, I don't know, but it does deflect on the price. And that's what you should keep in mind versus the color. Alright, other than that, it has very, very minuscule or even none inclusions all around. So you can see it's very clean. Okay, there's another one right there on the crown. It's more like a facet job. I don't know if you see it, but I'll point out. Right there on the pavilion, right there. Okay. And I think that's it. Yeah. I took a list of everything before I sent this video with my microscope as well, where they're all plotted and located, because it is important for you to receive the ring and be happy with what you see. The diamonds are very clean, and let's look at that as well, since it's already mounted. And very bright, clean white diamonds. Alright, sitting just right. And what I think that is important to understand is between the two rings, the three rings that I sent, as you can see the size comparison, how much larger. Sorry, just focus that. Let me just take off the full zoom. Okay. Okay. So you can see the difference here now is that this will be a larger ring that we're trying to incorporate here. This one has a little bit more of a minimalist type of mounting, which is nice. It depends on your character. So this one here is larger in circumference, and especially this one here is also large. So these two mountings that I've given you have good substantial weight and very nice in size. I personally like this one a lot, but it's up to you. Now let's go ahead and quickly compare the sapphires. So I'll put this one down so I can lift up the other one here. Let me just scoop that up. Okay. So take a look at the difference of the sapphires. You see? The one on the left is more bluer. Just a little bit more bluer, while the one on the right, keep in mind, it's still not mounted, and that does serve as a color purpose because the back is still open. Okay. All right. And then let's compare with that square one, the cushion one that I sent. See, it's almost the same. Wow. Okay. Okay. So, in general, it depends the kind of blue that interests you. The different flavors for everybody. And I have to say that I truly like the color of this one. I think it will show better in a ring as well, and it's really clean and clarity, very, very clean, and that's why I really like it and appreciate the stone. Beautiful. Okay. Well, I hope this video has helped you out and bring you to some kind of more of a understanding. Again, you are spending quite a substantial amount of money, and I needed the time to get everything right and present everything. Okay? And I will give you the best price on this ring now and the best price on the 355. Thank you.